Arrange the numbers in decreasing order. So first I'm going to write them all, lining up the decimal place. Now if it's not neat enough, sometimes it's difficult to see the place values. So I'm going to compare the ones place, and then I'm going to compare the tens place, hundreds place, and the thousands place. Sometimes it's easier if you actually draw the lines or if you use the charts in order to do it. And so the largest one that I can see, they all start with 7, and the largest is going to be 7.3. The smallest is going to be 7.013. And the next, it'll be 7.13 and 7.103. So this is my answer. Next, I'm going to try to make it a little bit neater, writing the decimals. I'm even going to write the lines. 9.908, 8.98, 9.8, 9.098. So I've lined up all the numbers neatly. So comparing the ones place, I see an 8. 8 is going to be the smallest number. So it's going to be 8.98 at the bottom. I'm just going to do that in black. 8.98. I'm going to cross off 8.98 so that I don't mix it up with the next ones. I'm going to look at the ones place. So which is the largest? I see a 9, 8, and 0. So just looking at these, I should be able to say this one is the largest. So I'm going to put it up at the top. Then next, I will have 9.8. And then I will have 9.098. So with this example, I only had to look at the ones place and the tenths place in order to determine the order. And the next question, I'm going to do a chart again. So 2.604, 2.64, 2.06, 2.064. If I look at the ones place, they're all the same. If I look at the tenths place, I have 2 6s and 2 zeros. So I know that these two are going to be the larger ones. So next I'm going to compare these two. So I see that this one is the largest because 4 is bigger than 0. So I'm going to write 2.64. Then next will be the other 2.604. And now I have to compare between these two. These numbers are the same. Oops, that's not a highlighter. These numbers are the same. So I'm going to have to look at these two. If there's a 4, if there's a blank, that's the same as a 0. So 4 is larger than 0. So the next number I would write is 2.064, which is bigger than 2.06. This is the order from largest or biggest to smallest, which means it is decreasing.